So one of the tangents on which the discussions have drifted about Liverpool's EPL triumph is that the Liverpool players individually are comparable to the very best in the world. So Coach Klopp must not be overpraised for the success because he had so many great players. Fact check time. Every one of those big players in the Liverpool team, Alisson, Van Dijk, Mane, Salah, Firmino, Wijnaldum, Henderson, Trent Alexander, Robertson, every single one of them improved as individual players under the tutelage of Jurgen Klopp. Outside of probably Alisson and Van Dijk, every other current Liverpool star were just reasonable players before Klopp got them. So the coach must take all the credit for molding these players into a world-beating unit. What is confusing people is how impressively these reasonable players fit into Klopp's efficient system, which in turn improves their individual efficiency. In terms of individual talent, player for player, this Liverpool squad is behind Manchester City, Chelsea, and even Manchester United. But in terms of functional team play and the effectiveness of the coach, how much points, sir? Let me see what points. 20, all right, what we call it? 20 odd. Yeah, 20 odd points. That is the current difference between Liverpool and the rest of them. I don't talk to you. You never walk alone.